Wait, what the?
Why? Don't read my messages. I'm serious.
Wait, what the is this?
Hey, give me my
Can I
phone.
pick you up in 15 minutes? When was this? Okay, I already read it. What are you gonna take it from me? Can I pick you up in 15 minutes? Yeah, that's fine. I'll be outside. Outside where?
My
Is
house.
that
Give me my
fucking
phone.
like 10 p.m.? I was with Anthony last night. You said you were at work.
Okay, and then what else?
With who? Who's Aaron?
We went to a party and I didn't want to tell you because it was late.
You went to a party. You didn't want to. You get the fuck out of my house. Who's Aaron? What do you mean don't touch you? Who's
Give me my
Aaron?
phone.
Who's Aaron? You can tell me who it is. Look,
It's a
hold on.
friend.
Hold on. Hold on. Let me read you a
Why
friend.
are you reading my messages?
It doesn't fucking matter why. Let me tell you what it says. Hey, in case you didn't read it because I had your phone.
I didn't read it.
I didn't. So let me read it to you. Hold on. Let me read it to you before you get the fuck out of my house. I didn't get you home till like 3 a.m. last night. Sorry. We were just having so much fun. I hope you didn't get in trouble.
Yeah.
What
party.
fun? What fun? What were you doing? You told him I can't be out. Get out of my house. Get out of my
Don't
house.
touch me.
You don't fucking touch me. Get out of my house.
Give me my fucking phone.
Hold on. What did you do
Give me
till
my
3 a.m.?
I didn't do anything.
We hang out till like midnight. You
Okay,
fucking
I
all
didn't
have to
know.
go
I have a
home.
curfew. My mom got mad at me, so I have to go
But
home.
what were you doing? Touch the doorknob, twist it, and get the fuck out of my house. Get out.
See how all through their conversation, she never for once took accountability for her action. Modern females would rather be right than be sorry.
Crazy?
Wait. Okay, stop. Give me my.
Like, come on, yo. What the fuck is this?
Bro, give me my. Come on, just give me my phone. Let's talk about it.
Why you fuck is you smiling? What you find funny? He shift your uterus.
Okay.
What?
You know,
this,
don't
man?
do that to my
Fuck outta
phone. Come
here,
on.
man. What you talking about?
Wait a minute, let's talk about this.
He shifted-
Wait a minute.
he
Let's
shifted
just
your
talk.
uterus.
Wait a minute. Let's just talk about it.
What the fuck you
Wait a
mean?
minute.
He shift your uterus. What you mean he shift your uterus? The fuck is you doing? Huh? You fucking playing with me? You think I'm a fucking joke?
No, I don't, but I
shift your uterus?
Oh my
Are
God.
you fucking playing with me, yo? Why would you do this to me, yo? Why would you play with me like that? Shifted your uterus? What the fuck is wrong with you, yo? You talk about shit, yo. Get the fuck out of here.
Okay, listen.
You got me fucked up, yo.
Okay, so listen.
You got me-
It's not
you got
what
me
it looks
fucked-
like.
you got me
It's
fucked
not what
up.
it looks like.
Fuck, what
It's
the
not
fuck you
what-
mean what
listen,
it's not what it look like? What you mean what it's not what it look like? You shook your fucking uterus? You playing with me, right? You got me fucked up. I ain't that type of nigga, yo. Go play games with them other niggas, yo.
I was just talking
Go play
shit. It
games
wasn't
with
like
them
that.
other
I was
niggas.
just, like trying to sell
I'm not the fucking one to play with. I will fuck you in that nigga up. Y'all think I'm a joke? Ain't no fucking joke. You know what? You stay with that nigga. Don't fucking call my phone ever again. You hear me?
It's
Fuck
not what
out of
you
here.
think.
Give a fuck what it's
It's
like.
not what you think. This is listen to me, talk to me, talk to me. But did you fuck Erica now?
She really had no respect for her man. And if you are dealing with an alpha, you're gonna find yourself in the streets faster than you can think if you feel you can disrespect him anytime you want.
Yeah, bitch. So next time you think about fucking with a bitch like me, just know, nigga, this shit gets yeah, nigga, this shit gets ugly. Fuck, nigga, bitch. That tag Mons crumbled it up. Look, yeah, baby, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want, baby. The fuck? You should've knew before playing with Yana, nigga. This shit gets ugly.
Oh my God. Wait, please.
On October 23, 2025, officers responded to a call regarding a reported domestic incident.
37, it's going to be the rear upstairs unit. You're very steep. Oh boy. Signal 14, she's here. She's just screaming from inside the apartment. Won't open the door.
The caller did advise that she has ETD, bipolar disorder.
Copy.
Sarah, honey, it's the police. Can you open the door for us? No! You're not in trouble. We just want to talk to you. Make sure you're okay.
Please leave me alone!
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine!
Can you open the door just so I can see that you're okay?
No! Leave me alone!
Okay, did he hit you or anything?
No.
Sarah, does he live here with you? Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay, can you talk to us? Is it
No.
okay?
And I have a f***ing dog, and he.
That's okay.
Please leave my door. Like,
I
don't.
said
I don't
two
want
big
my dogs to get out.
No, I know
I
that,
am
I
fine.
promise.
Why are you
We're
here?
not gonna let your dog
Why are
get
you
out.
here? I'm not mad at you, but like, why are you
You're
here?
not in trouble.
You're not
You're
in
not in
trouble.
trouble. We just want to make sure you're okay. Your boyfriend called
No,
us.
I'm f***ing good. He's not my boyfriend.
Okay.
And he needs to mind his own f***ing business.
Okay.
And I already got everything under control.
Okay. Can you just explain to us why
Nothing
he'd be calling?
happened. Everything's good.
Who is he to you?
Nobody.
Okay.
Odin, please
30
say
seconds, she's come to the
no. Go. 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 No.
You don't look fine,
I'm
sweetheart. You look...
totally okay. Go away. Go away. Go. Please go lay down.
What kind of dog?
Oh, he's a pit bull.
Okay, I've got two at home. He's okay.
I'm okay.
He's okay.
Please go lay down. Go to bed. Go to bed. Look, this is getting so serious. It's fine. And go.
Just take a breath.
I'm fine.
Because you don't seem like you're okay. This is not... Someone who's okay wouldn't be... You know, you're screaming, you're crying. It's alright, baby.
I'm fine, dude. I gotta
alright.
work later. I don't have time for this shit.
Okay, so
Where do you work?
Sloppies?
Okay. What time does your shift start? Hi, baby. What you doing? You're beautiful.
Sweetie.
Hi, you're
Odin,
okay.
come in here. Odin, please don't let him out. He's mean.
Come here, baby. Come on. Go inside. You're good boy.
Go.
Good boy.
Get your ass in there. Go. He's fine.
Do you want to just step over here and talk to us? That way you can shut the door and not worry about him running out. It's okay. Here, I'll even scoot down. That way you can sit or whatever you want to do. You're fine.
Calm down.
There you go. That way he's not barking like crazy.
I'm fine. I don't need this. I don't even know why he called you guys. He done called my f***ing family. Like, what the f***? He done called my f***ing family. Now they're mad at me.
Take a breath. Why do you think he would be concerned about you to call?
I don't know. I don't know. He heard a f***ing rumor and decided to, look, he broke up with me 3 f***ing times in the past week. Like.
That's my I want you to
So
see.
what happened?
So, I told her, hey, can you bring me a Pedialyte? She brought me a Pedialyte. We were talking, and I said, hey, can we talk about something real quick? And she said, yeah, sure. So I brought it up. I was like, hey, I'm hearing that you're sleeping with other people and this and that. So I tried to cut it off right there. I was like, hey, like, I don't think we should be together, none of that. So I'm sitting across the table. She's sitting on this side, and I purposely sat in front of the camera because I know how she gets. So I'm sitting by the camera. She gets up. She throws her sandwich at me. Throws her Starbucks drink at me. I'm like, okay, this is not gonna be good. So I'm telling her, like, hey, like, you need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave. Like, I'm in a resort. I'm at work. I don't want people to call the police. There's other people here. This and that. So she chased me up and down the jet ski dock with the hose, trying to spray me down and wake me up and with my phone up and this and that. I finally get past her onto the actual dock. I was like, hey, you need to leave. Like, you need to leave. She picked the chair up from this room right here. Okay. My truck's usually parked in the back pit. She picks it up, literally runs around the whole entire way, gets to the back pit where my truck is. I cut through the middle, cut her off so she doesn't hit my truck, beat my truck up with the chair. So I'm like, okay. So all the maintenance people like see it, like guests at the hotel.
So
seeing
did she
it.
hit you with the chair?
She tries to swing it, but I just put my hand up and blocked it. You know,
She's swinging at you or the truck?
I think she swung it at me.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was obviously in between the truck, you know. And then she finally started walking back this direction because everybody started getting on her like, hey, you need to leave, you need to leave. So her car parked over here, but she finally got into it. So I said, you know what, let me just jump in my truck real quick and move it. So I waited for her to see if she was going to leave, and all she did was just kept going in circles, like following me until she finally left. I was like, okay, like, I need a call, you know, just in case, you know. So.
It's so funny how modern females think they can put their hands on a man that is obviously stronger and more aggressive than they are. It's like the society have enabled them so much that they believe they can beat up a man anytime they choose to and get away with it. But luckily, she ain't getting her way this time around.
You broke up with me.
Were you just with him a little bit ago?
No, that wasn't me.
Okay. So you've been home this whole time?
No, I have not been home.
Okay.
But he's a punk. Like, I fucking hate him.
Okay,
But I'm not gonna do anything. Like, I'm fine.
We're just trying to figure out why he's called us, that's all.
Okay, well, he called you because he's a fucking bitch. And he called my family. I don't know why he had to get y'all involved.
Okay, why did he call your family?
Because he didn't like the way I was acting, I guess.
Okay, what did he tell your family?
I don't know. I wasn't listening.
He did that in front of you?
Yeah, he called my uncle and my uncle. Man, I'm in so much trouble. He was like, ah.
So our main concern, Sarah, Sarah, honey, our main concern is making sure that you're okay. Okay?
I'm fine, dude.
Got him. I don't have any marks or anything on him, but there's a camera right here. And you can see the coffee stuff and the sandwich on the floor. They were dating, so they just broke up. And that's what stemmed the whole ordeal.
I'm suspicious.
You're fine.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing. I'm asking you about your day, and they're just standing there listening. It's hard to talk to three people at once.
I don't want to go to jail.
Okay, so you had
and
lunch.
I don't want to
you
go
had
to the crazy hospital either.
Okay. So
I'm literally, it's gonna pass. Like, it's fine.
So you had soup.
You
weren't feeling well.
Okay. And, oh, dude. What did he tell you?
I don't know. I haven't spoken to
Why
him.
did he call you?
Because he's concerned about you.
I'm fine.
And I can understand why he's concerned.
I'm literally fine. I'm just pissed off that you doing this shit. Like, you don't treat nobody like that.
So did you guys get into an argument?
Yeah, because he was like, oh, I heard this about you trying to f*** Elias, which no, I was there to f*** Saint. Why the f*** would I try to pick Elias up?
Okay, but you guys are broken up, right?
Yeah, he said, he said, we just gotta go our separate ways. It'd be better. Like, for why? That's a rumor. I even called Saint put Elias on the phone. Oh, no. No. It was a fucking lie.
Okay.
So he's just believing a lie, and it just pissed me off because, like, you just don't do nobody like that. Like, you fucking drive like, you don't do nobody like that.
Okay.
So how long were you guys together?
2.5 years. 3 years, and we broke up, got back together, broke up, got back together, broke up. So this was like the final. I was like, hey, I'm done, you know. Like,
okay. So I mean, you guys were together now, and then basically that's what you were calling it off here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We're okay. Is Ham coming here?
No, he's over there.
He's talking to him.
Still investigating.
Investigate what?
Okay.
Investigate what? Why aren't you guys telling me?
Whatever happened over there, he's talking to everybody
Yeah,
over
he's
there.
talking to... What's your boyfriend's name?
Daniel.
Oh
my God, so I'm in trouble.
You're not in trouble?
Okay. Sarah. Officer Ham is over there meeting with Daniel. Okay? Whatever he was told and video footage, Officer Ham has probable cause to place you under arrest. Okay? So he's coming over here. I feel like you've been cool with us. You've calmed down. And we thank you for that and your cooperation.
So I'm getting arrested?
Yes.
So he's decided to press charges?
Yes. But
Can I at least change my
shirt?
shirt? I don't want a Sloppy Joe's mugshot, please.
You're fine.
No,
Okay.
I really need to change my shirt.
Let me out.
Okay.
Okay, they're gonna take that off of you anyway.
Please, I don't want to
Okay.
go to jail.
They're
I
gonna
mean,
take
I
that
get
off of
it.
you anyway.
What? So I'm going to jail.
Yes.
But I don't want you to get all worked up again. Okay?
Oh my God. Wait, please.
take a deep breath.